Hi grade 6s, I want to help you a little bit with the division word sums on page 93 and 94. So you still need to do all of these, or the ones that I've listed in your workbook, but I'm going to do two of them for you. Exercise 14.6 on page 93, number 2. Number 2 reads that you've got juice, soda and lime, and you have 120 milliliters of juice. You've got 180 milliliters of soda, and you've got 40 milliliters of lime. So you're going to see I'm putting it in a table, which is really going to help with the working out. Now, A then asks, calculate how much soda and lime you'll need if you have 30 milliliters of orange juice. So I'm simply going to write down here, well, if I want 30 milliliters of the orange juice, then what did I do to the 120 here? Let's just get a different color. What did we do here to the 120? How can I get from 120 to 30? I can divide it by 4, and that's then what I'm going to do in each case. So I'm going to say for soda, 180 divided by 4, that's 45. And for lime, 40 divided by 4, that's 10. At B, they ask, what if I now have 360 milliliters of orange juice? I'm sticking to the same table, and I'm just going to do, okay, how can you can either go right from the top, from the 120, or from the 30, but I'm going to go back here and say, well, what can I do with 120 to get 360? I can times that by 3. So I'm going to do the same here. To go from 180, I must then also times that by 3, which will be 540. And I also need to take the 40 milliliters of lime and times that by 3, which is 120. So you're going to see sums with quantity. It often helps to put it in a table, because what you do for the one, you just have to do for all the other parts of your table as well. Let's also look at exercise 14.7. Exercise 14.7, that's on page 94. And I'm going to do for you number 3. So number 3 says a truck traveled 160 kilometers on 10 liters of diesel. How many kilometers does the truck travel on 1 liter of diesel? So a quick way to look at it is to say, all right, well, I want to know how can I go from 10 liters to 1 liter of diesel? I can divide by 10. So that's what I'm going to do on this side of the table as well. And that's then 16 kilometers on 1 liter. It also says, how far can the truck drive on 4 liters of diesel? So now, sorry, this was A. Just go to B. So at B, if I've got 4 liters of diesel here, well, that I can't go from 10 to 4 anyway, so I'm going to go from the 1 liter to the 4 liters. That's times by 4. So I'm going to do the same on this side. I'm going to do 16 times 4, 64. Right, I hope that helped. Bye.